Hello, good afternoon. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Gaspota Home, and now I show you this studio. In the first place, we have a kitchen. Has a washing machine and the bridge, vitro, and this is the kitchen. Now I show you the table for it and the living room. We have a TV and one sofa. Now I show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a shower, a sink, and the toilet. And now we go into the bedroom. In the bedroom you can find one double bed and the closet. This apartment is in the city center of Valencia, close to the Valencia's Hall. Have well connected with the bus and the subway. Have a lot of restaurants, shops, shopping centers, cinemas, and this is the street and the plus. This is all the studio. I hope when you come to Valencia have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye.